Okay. Let's see. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Change that thumbnail. Okay, I think we're good. I don't know if we're live, but should be live though. Okay, I want to say we're live. I put the link in the Discord. Oh shoot. Yeah, I gotta hold on. Give me 1 second. Good thing I had that on my other monitor. What's up, Beast? I agree. Epic. SHIT. Okay. I'll just put the link. Same thing as usual. Okay. I'll get into what I want to do this stream. Yes, Beast, yes. Okay. So I don't know why I didn't do this before, but like I knew about Advanced Locomotion System, the plugin, but I do remember it was only about like single player. Fishy. It's like there's I hate disappointing you, but there's really like no progress made. Like you can ask Beast, anyone, like I'm so bad. Oh, Beast. Sorry to hear that. But I mean that makes sense. I mean, it's your time zone, it's like about time to go to bed, so that makes sense. So that's good, you know. Hard day of work. Feel tired. Um that's good. But yeah, I wanted to look at this before. I don't know why I didn't look at this before. Like it has all the features like I want, but like I just forgot about it. And I started this repo like a long time ago. When I say everything I want, like everything I want in terms of like movement and animations. And this repo, like some guy took it and basically added like some C++ code to make it like good for multiplayer and networking purposes. Thank you, Beast. I appreciate that. We can talk about memes. We can talk about memes. Also, I will add emojis eventually. I just don't have any. Were you the one who added the one emoji that I really liked? Oh wait, now it's gone. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh wait, no, yeah, it's still there. The epic lol. Did you add that? You did. Thank you. Cause I like that emoji. I don't know why. Okay, so I get cloned this repo, and thank you, Beast. I appreciate it. Because if you didn't add it, then I would have been like, who added this? But yeah. But yeah, let's I'm just gonna go straight to setting it up. So clone the repo inside your project's plugins folder. That's fine. Do they have branches here? Main. That actually reminds me. Ooh, 10 commits ahead. I noticed they recently changed the from master to main, but I don't know if like they did it for all repos. What license? Beast. That is, dude, Beast, you're 5 steps ahead of me. MIT, we're good, Beast. We're good. Thank you, Beast. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. You don't like main? I mean, I'm like mixed on it because I get like the reasoning, but like you had so many repos with master already, you're just gonna mess things up. You know what I mean? I feel like there's a better way. Who knows? All right, but maybe it's just me. I don't know. All right, we're gonna. I'm just gonna drag it in here. I don't think. We're just gonna drag it in here and then plugins. Boop. And then boop. Nope. 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 All right. Put config slash default. Oh boy. What kind of things they have here? Yeah, so some of this stuff is gonna have to change. Did they change it for everyone? I thought they didn't. I could have sworn like for me, like they didn't change it, but if I look at flop night, yeah, it's still master. I guess this guy just manually did it. I'm trying to think if they like automatically did it for any projects. Yeah, I don't think so. Sup Tavion, good to see you, good to see you. But yeah, I guess yeah, let me compare a bit. Look at that. I want to look at my configs. What's different here? I'm just gonna copy some stuff. I'm actually gonna. I need to get rid of some of this stuff. Like I'm not using any Oculus stuff. Like I can. What is Valve? I don't even know Valve. Is that like a controller thing or? I can get rid of some of this. Like reset VR. I don't need. Yeah, I'm just gonna get. Let's just get rid of some of this stuff now. I'm literally just gonna get rid of all of this. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what any of this is. I think I saw that beast. I thought you did get rid of this stuff. I think you got rid of some stuff, beast. I don't think you got rid of everything, but I do distinctly remember that. You did make a PR. I remember like a long time ago. It's like this one, I think. I think maybe you commented stuff out. Yeah, you had a may need to remove this. You had like comments. I think you got rid of most of it, but not everything, but that's okay. Get rid of that. Confirm. We need that. Definitely need that. Gamepad left. Y. I think we really. I'll keep that. I'll keep these. This stuff. I'm getting rid of all this. Default touch interface. I'll keep that just because I don't know what it means. This is probably yeah. I agree with this. Just get rid of all the VR stuff. So much VR stuff. Alright. Mouse X. Yeah, actually, before I do that. That's good. Let's save that. Oh. I mean, I don't. I'll deal with this later. I think for now this is enough cleaning up. Okay, let's see what they have. I think they have jump action, select rotation mode, camera action. You know what I might do? I think for now, I can comment all of this, right? I don't know how to do a multi-line comment in INI file. Like, I might just want to comment out just for testing purposes. Are you a member of Unreal Slackers? I mean, I'm in the Discord. I think if you're asking if I'm like in staff, no, absolutely not. Those guys are way too smart. Multi-line comments. I like that beast. I won't remember those steps, so those are good steps. License, easy to set up, and good docs. I mean, license, yep, we confirm that. Easy to set up, we'll see. First, I'm just going to look up how to do RNI multi-line comments. I feel like you gotta be able to do multi-line comments in INI files. No. There's gotta be a way to do multi-line comments. That's a good question, Beast. Yeah, multi-line comments. Oh, I forgot the mouse wheel. Forgot. All right, I'm sure it's quick. This is why I'm a fast typer. It's like exercise, guys. Exercise for the fingers. Am I right? Wow, I went way too quick there. This is what all the practice on type racing does for us, guys. Okay. We're gonna do that. Just comment everything out and then just like... I think I got rid of most of the VR. I think I can get rid of this, right? Yeah, we'll keep it. I don't know if there's any other VR stuff. For testing, only get rid later. Keyboard ASMR. Ooh, Alexis, I like your thinking there. I feel like I'd be the type of guy who like that. All right, so default INI. Below script engine collision tag. Oh, this isn't default engine INI. Okay, I got it. There probably was, Adrian, but yeah, I should be using VS Code right now. I don't know why, but don't worry, I wasn't about to delete all of that. That would have been crazy. I don't even know what this does. Custom response. Response ECR ignore. Climbable. Okay. I don't know what it does. Honestly, I'm just trying to make progress at this point. I've kind of learned from the last few streams that, like, this project ain't going too well. Only because, like, I don't know. I'm not here to really, like, become an expert on animations. Like, I'll never be an expert on that, so. Okay, I think we're good. Hype for Rider. It's good, Alexis. It's good. Thank you to the people in the Discord who finally got me on it. No idea how long it'll last, though. Okay. Let's open this guy. Let's see what this plugin's all about. Hype for Beast Code. Beast Code. I like that. I like Beast Code. Okay. I like this theory. I just want to check on something real quick on YouTube because recently our streams, like, monetization has been, like, limited suitability. Nah, this time actually it's okay. I had, like, a conspiracy theory that either one, because we were using Restream to stream on multiple platforms, or actually that was pretty much it. But sup, Affix? How you doing? Affix is on Twitch. Good old Twitch. I'm good. I just added the ALS plugin, but a custom fork of it adds some, like, custom C++ code for, like, networking purposes. So, because I think the original plugin was, like, it was for single player only, so it's basically just, actually, that's a great question. Like, what is it? First, let me start building this because I'm gonna forget. Let's go to the description. An advanced bipedal locomotion and layering system focusing on high-quality character animation with responsive movement, built to be flexible, extendable, and to provide a solid starting point for new projects. Basically, I've realized from the last maybe 5 to 6 streams that I can't do animations for my life, so I need a cheat code here. I mean, Beast, I like that. I feel like that's what every IDE strives for, because, like, they aim for speed, and it ends up being really difficult. I feel it, Affix. I feel it. Trying to learn that engine source code. I like it. But yeah, kudos to this guy, because I'm not signed in, but even though it says signed to buy, like, this is, like, free. So I do really appreciate his work and contribution. Affix, you gotta believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, nothing is possible. That's what I've heard as well, Affix, that Rider is not polished enough. I mean, I tried to debug. The thing is, I'm not, like, as advanced as, like, a lot of Unreal Engine devs. So, like, I wouldn't know, like, the advanced features of Visual Studio that people are complaining about, like, don't work as well in Rider, but I know they have, like, merit in what they're saying. Yes, Affix Bio's a smart guy. Beast, you're right. Rider and VS. Very thick IDs with maybe 3 Cs. At least Visual Studio has 3 Cs. Mobile Gamer, I know. Fortnite Clone, no one plays it. I mean, the old one, right? You're probably talking about. You need 4 people in a game. Likelihood of that happening is very low. And the game's kind of glitched anyway. So I won't even worry about it. Just wait for the updated version, which at this rate will take forever. I didn't know that affix. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, mobile gamer. Okay, we added it. Alright, I think we can launch it now. Yeah, I think this will probably... I don't know. This will probably be a very short stream. Maybe affix, maybe. I don't know. I don't really know like how far I want to take this, to be honest, because also like I'm just learning that game development is just so hard. But I'm making it hard on purpose because again, I want to really delve into I don't want to be like lazy like last time when we remade Fortnite Clone, because last time we made Fortnite Clone we were going for clickbait and views, and I guess it kind of worked. But Chris's Playground, ooh, really, mobile gamer? Thank you. I appreciate that. I don't know how I could have helped you through the streams. The streams aren't really meant to be watched back. I guess they're meant to be watched live. Adam and Sublime are text editors, though. I guess that's why they're fast. But yeah, Affix, I like... Really, Affix? I appreciate that. I don't know how anyone could learn from these. These streams are more for like semi-entertainment, but I like the name Chris's Playground. Kind of gives me like Gary's Mod feels. Okay. So let's look at this plugin. Oh wait, no, here. He did it here. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, he's got his own movement. Sorry about that car. Got his own character movement component, player control. I might maybe look at the code. Maybe I might do that. Got a character. He's got 2 characters. Subclass, superclass, name instance. Got a lot of notifies. An AI. And then here, this is the good stuff. Hold on, guys. I'll look at what you guys are doing. Let's see. A lot of messages. Sorry about that. Okay. Well, for me, engine dev is easier than game dev. I mean, Beast, that makes sense. I mean, engine dev is more like actually pure programming, like more computer sciencey. So it really kind of depends on the person. I mean, game dev, I don't even know if I agree with that. Game dev is just so, there's so many parts to it. That's why like most games like aren't done usually by one person. Like with an engine, like I'm not saying one person can do an engine, but I think one person alone can make more progress in less time on an engine than on a game. I know that sounds like kind of crazy to say, but that's just my belief, just because of how much is put into a game that people don't realize. And also I'm a little biased because I did work on like not an engine but like stuff related to it, like operating systems, like distributed systems. I did like take classes on that. Not an expert, but I have like a high level overview. Do I plan on doing game dev as career path? No, probably not. Probably just for fun. First game took 2 hours. That's a lot of time. There's a cube shooting more cubes. I like that. Game dev is harder because of APIs. When your API is hard, people will use it. Yeah, I mean, because that's kind of true. And by kind, I mean like very. I don't know. It's just games are like so. There's so many moving parts. I'm not saying that like things like engines don't, but like you don't have really as much control. Everything's so interconnected. I'm kind of going on a tangent, but okay. So I have the plugin. Let me just make sure I have it enabled. I like that cube shoot. That kind of reminds me of my first game. I don't think I had a cube shooting other cubes, but like, actually no, that does sound like maybe my first game. Okay. Let's just play this. Hopefully it won't crash. Oh, I can't even move. Alright, so we got one problem. Oh, I know why. I'm not even using their character class. Kinda wanna find it though. Can I just not like... There we go, okay. I like that beast, I like that. He's got 2 animation blueprints. And he's got a sequence. Animation examples. Got a bunch of animation montages. Where is his... Does he not have a character? He has the skeleton. Let me look at this, actually. He's got it. Hello, forever ago. I've been now making a game with my 2 friends about grappling around. It's cool, but we've been working on the code more than the visuals. So you have the nice particle effect zoom and the grappling. Yeah, that's kind of what I meant with like games. Like, there's just so much involved with it. Oh, shaders. You guys know I love shaders. I'm really biased because again, I come from like a more of a programming background, so I don't want to like say like because an engine does have a lot of moving interconnected parts, but I feel like I don't know. It's good, but the map looks like trash. I'm sure it's not that bad. He definitely has, yeah, he has a mesh. Alright, let me find his blueprint. Oh, okay, there it is. I'm gonna just... That's fine then. Let's go to, just for now. I know it's copying, but like, I'm just like wondering right now. I want to change the net. How do I change the network player start default character? I know. I need the path. I like physics now because I got physics work. Damn, it feels so good. I can definitely relate to that beast. Hello, Pug Player 1. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you. Good to see you. I wanna... What's the path to this guy? Can I just copy the path? There we go. This might crash the game, but... Oh, it's not in the content folder. It's not gonna work. Maybe it will. I don't know. This might work. I feel like it won't though. This will definitely crash. Yeah, I just want to play around with this, see what's going on. Maybe I'll look at the code. Might do that on my own though. Don't want to bore you guys, you know. But it's going to crash? Yeah, probably. I don't know how to get it from the plugins folder. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna crash. I already know. I was like, let's use Unreal Engine. I'm going with that. And all my friends were like, Unity now. I'm still working on a game in Unreal Engine. I think Unity's fine. Nothing wrong with Unity. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna crash. I mean, game is content, right? Oh, build succeeded. Okay, yeah, I agree with that, Alexis. Wait. Game. It's because I forgot. Maybe do I need that slash? I'm trying to basically set the default pawn class to this guy, but it's in the plugins folder, so it might not work. I want to use like the plugins character blueprint. Wait and remove the file type. Okay, I got you. Beast. I got you. I don't think this one had an example. Did it have an example map? Oh, maybe it did actually. Did it? Oh, it had a game mode. I didn't see that actually. Did I have it? Oh, I didn't even see that. My bad. Let me see if that worked though. No. Let's look at the example map. Actually, I'll try it. I'll try your suggestion, Beast, and I don't think it'll work, but we might as well try it. And then if that doesn't work, then I'll just go to one of these demos. I think I'll take a look at that then. I got you, Alexis. I'll look at it. Okay. Yeah, let's just look at it then. I'm just gonna undo all my changes there then. Oh no, I didn't mean to run it. How do I cancel that? Alright. Build, and then we'll just change it back again. Come on. Okay. Let's look at what we got here. Oh boy, shaders. Thank you, Arthur, and I appreciate that. And yep, that is the plan. Oh, okay. Move the camera. Actually, let me go to the main one. So I'm silent. I'm just like trying to look at this. Yeah, I know like one of the things I wanted to do, like I was thinking about was like this turning thing, like just having the body. I forget what it's called, like just moving the body towards where you're looking at. Because I know Fortnite does it. Does it a little faster than this, but this is okay. And it does it, so. L Alt, left Alt. It's fine. Okay. Okay. No, this is cool. There's a queue, there's an overlay menu. That's really cool. Okay, so I still have to do the shooting on my own. That's absolutely fine. But honestly, this is good enough for me. There are a couple of bugs, but the developer will fix them soon. What kind of bugs, Alexis? Curious to hear that. Aim, right mouse button. Pistol two-handed. Oh, okay, I see. One-handed. Interesting. Bow. Torch. Rotation modes. 1, 2. Okay, that's pretty cool. Switch shoulders. Tap C. Okay. Hold C. To ragdoll. Change mesh. Okay. Why is this in my recommended? Nick, that's a great question. I don't know, but it's not really user friendly. Alexa, I'm interested. Yep, it's free. It's free. It comes with all the movement under the hood. Yep, that's exactly why I'm using this, because this guy solved a problem that I think a lot of people have, which is people can't do animations. Oh, beginner friendly. I can add my own stuff to it? I think so, Arthur. I think so. I'm gonna look at his code later. Also, just to make sure, Alexis, it doesn't come with like any like fire animations, right? Just want to make sure of that. This is really cool though, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you. No problem, bye, no problem. Does come with fire animations? Alright, I'll look at those then. What do we got here? I keep going back to that, I don't know why. No. Levels, props, environment, data. Wait. Oh, okay. It was here. How long do you think it's going to be till you finish tabbing? I'm going to be honest. I have no idea. It'll be a while, though. And I hate saying that, but it's kind of true. Animation examples. I'm looking at, that's a good point, bio. This guy made a networked version. It seems like it works. Hold on. It seems like it's not worked to me. Oh, that seems like. Yeah, but we'll look at it. Give me link. Bio. Hold your horses. I'll give it to you. You just gotta say please. I'll put in the chat. It's one of the most polished assets for Unreal Engine. No wonder the author was invited to work in Epic Games. No, I mean, it's amazing. I need this because I can't do animations for my life. And I was always thinking about this, and then I thought the other day, I was like, wait, why am I coding these? Why am I looking at anime graphs and stuff? I think the character movement component stuff was good to look at, but pretty pleased with sugar on top and lots of weed mixed in. What a meme. Um. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, Bio. I love it. Yeah. Let me look at their animations though. It's got roll. Yeah, I was looking. I want to see if they have fire animations. They do have aim offsets. That makes sense. Base. Transitions. I love it, Bio. I love it. Beast. I'm pulling weeds out of my garden. That's perfectly fine. I actually don't know either. I think we're too small though for like anyone and for like YouTube to actually like demonetize our videos. Although some of our streams get like what's called limited suitability for monetization for like momentarily, but then they change it back to full suitability. So, Arthur, you have any experience 3D modeling? No. Well, maybe a little bit. My partner has more experience, but yeah, that's gonna be our bottleneck later though. But Snoop Dogg, yeah, but that's Snoop Dogg bio. Snoop Dogg's like Snoop Dogg, but I get what you're saying. I don't think. Yeah, I mean, if you talk about weed, I don't think like I literally just said weed. I didn't go into details, so I don't think YouTube's gonna care. But yeah, sorry about that, Alexis. You said there were fire animations here. Hmm. I mean, look at the blueprint. I mean, that's literally that's literally the best place to look at it. There are no. Okay, okay. I'm gonna put that in my notes then. That's okay. We'll figure that out. Okay, I'm not gonna mess too much with this stuff. I mean, I could nitpick, be like, standing turn, try to speed it up. That'll be for later. That's just me nitpicking. Does YouTube really care? Probably not. Probably not, but I don't think so. I mean, maybe if we got popular, I do know. Like, I watch like a lot of This is like a weird thing. I watch channels who talk about like PEDs, like physically enhancing, performance enhancing drugs. I know those channels get like roughened up a bit. Thank you, Zikos for the sub. I feel like YouTube definitely does like, I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know how the algorithm works, but I think they do like hurt channels that talk about sensitive topics. On GitHub Game Jam, I'm gonna probably not bio. I'm just gonna disappoint you. But thank you for the invite. Also, like, I don't know. This next month's gonna be really weird, just with like work. So I really, it's just so unpredictable. That's why I can't do it. Here's the track tips direction thing. Oh wait, no, it's not. This is. Oh, actually, it might be. But what else can I look at though? I might look at the. Okay. I want to look at the. This is the event graph, but I want to look at the. Oh, this is. See, this is why I needed this, because I don't know how to do this stuff. Like, what is this? Like, I can't do this stuff. I don't know any of this stuff. This is why this guy's amazing. What's the motivation behind the clone? Just proof of concept or what? Good question, Arthron. I'm mainly just like, I don't know. I was ambitious like about a couple years ago. I wanted to make a game. I had no idea what actually went into it. I made like a really sloppy clone. Now I want to make like a better, at least a little more polished clone. What kind of skin are you gonna add when you're done? That's a good question. I don't know yet. Bio, if you make an MMO in a month, please send me the download link. I'll definitely play that. That sounds fun. But yeah. Not much real motivation. But yeah, how does he do this stuff, man? I can't do this stuff, man. What is this? Like, what is this, man? What is this? What is this stuff? I just don't even know how he does this. Alright, let's look at some C++ code, because I'm like really bored. Or does he have more blueprints in here? I'll look at more blueprints if he has any. He does. I don't know what this stuff is. Doesn't have much in here. Bro, there's so many shaders. 4 teams of 25. Last team wins. Bio, of course I know it. I know you're not kidding, Bio, because you're a crazy freaking god. But I love it. Bio, I don't want to do the cast stuff either, but we both know it has to be done. Well, I mean, it doesn't have to be, but... Oh my god. Player controller. Ugh. Widgets. What is this? I'm just looking at some stuff right now. Open overlays. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Traces. Wow, he's got a lot of tracing here. Didn't even realize. Okay. What else he's got? I don't know anything about this stuff. Simple moving object. Okay, that makes sense. Bring camera shake. Is this a... What is this? Is this a gameplay effect? Or I guess just a blueprint. Oh wait, no, I had the parent class. Parent class is camera shake. Okay, makes sense. I think I saw that. Wait, what is camera shake? Is that just like... Bio, you will offload it. You'll find someone. Wow, I would love for updates on that in the Discord. They'd love it too. You should add Goku. I definitely won't have permission for that tab, man. There's no way. What is a camera shake? Is that just a built-in thing? I didn't know that. That's crazy. I didn't know that. That makes sense because it was like a data-only blueprint. Okay. Simple object builder. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. God, this guy's crazy. What a legend. Animation modifiers. I'll look at one just because I'm curious. Yeah, like I don't know any of this stuff. Like, what is this stuff? It's a cube that moves to a track. Beast, I was referring the bio. He was thinking about putting, I think he was thinking of putting updates to his game during the game jam. Hold on, dude. I love how like everyone's just watching on YouTube, and the only people who watch on Twitch are like affix and like the bots. So I gotta stop the blocks. I'm gonna block Gist 7. Gist even. It's a cube that moves to a track. Gotcha. A track. Alexis, I'm sorry. Can you educate me? What's a track again? And Talus, I appreciate the explanation on the camera shake. HUD macro library. Oh, okay, literally just macros. Track equals spline component. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just so uneducated on it. There's 2 cubes that move to a track when game starts. Let me just play the game so I understand. Actually, let me look at the game mode and then I'll... Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, let's just play the game. Then after that, I'll look at some C++ code. Hello, Ren. Hello. Ren is on Twitch, and he just posted a nice last toys emoji. Oh, you're talking about this. Okay. Okay. I think this is what you were talking about. I'm gonna read these warnings as well. I can't read that. I gotta go on the other guy. I'm reading this, I'm just like, that's kind of what I'm doing. So I'm going against the maker's advice, kind of. Also, I don't know why I'm crouched. Did that by accident. If this is unfinished, then this guy's setting the standard way too high. You can climb with AWS. Thank you, Ren. It looks smooth because I didn't make it. You'd find a path with the spline, the cube will move along that spline. Okay, thank you, Talos. I appreciate that. That makes sense. The mail system is fully dynamic and works by tracing. Interesting. That's really cool. This is really cool. Okay. Let's look at some C++ stuff and then That'll be it. Just because I'm really curious what he did do in C++. I won't look at any of the AI stuff. It's got a lot of animation notifies. But I'll start with... no. Let me start with like the base, like his character. What has he got going on in here? Okay, so he's using... And by the way, this C++ code, I believe, was added by someone else, not the original maker of ALS. And I already see off the bat, he's got some server RPCs. So that's going to be interesting. Okay. Got some multicast here. Play montage. Got a lot of stuff here. Yes, it was made by Doga. Shout out to Doga then. He did a good job too. Okay, he's got some on-ramps. Okay. What's it gonna do? Yeah, I mean, not too many interesting things I've noticed. Just a lot of like replication related stuff. The character movement component. Same functions, he overrides that we overrode before. I already knows can't combine with clear, get compressed flags, set move forward, prep move forward. I think these are like the functions you always have to override if you like make a struct of F save move character. I might actually that might be the one class I'll look into deeply is this character movement component. F network prediction data client character. Okay, interesting. So I didn't override that in my project on movement updated. We got update from compressed flags. That we overrode that one as well as get prediction data client. Yep, that makes sense. And he's got more server RPCs. Okay, so he's doing a lot of server RPCs here. I was thinking in mind of like rewriting some of the stuff like the jumping and sprinting using like gas, but then I was just like, nah, we're gonna just go straight to like firing and stuff. That will make like that stuff like gameplay abilities, but like all the stuff he has done already, Doga and the contributors to this, like crouching. I'm done with this. I'm done with movement and animation. I just can't do it anymore. I just don't know enough about it. This makes me feel bad. But yeah, I'm curious on movement update. No, was that the one I was talking about? That he overrode that I didn't override before? Set max walking speed. It was. So what does this function do? Sets movement settings, that's it. What does this do? I spent a lot of time just turning ALS into top-down Alexis. You mean like, I know, excuse my ignorance, top-down, do you mean like top-down view, kind of? I'm sorry, forgive me. I'm always going to ask for some elaboration on pretty much anything anyone says. Movement updated. But I'm sure it was a lot of work. Event triggered at the end of a movement update. If scope movement updates are enabled, this is within such a scope. Movement update. Okay. It's kind of vague. Actually, because like when they say things like movement update, it's like, is it the literal sense or are they referring to some method? But I think in this case, really meaning the movement, the literal sense, kind of. Okay. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna touch this, to be honest. I just think we gotta move on with Fortnite Clone. Just get it hosted at this point. Okay, we got. This has got a lot of. Oh no, this is base character. My bad. Let's go back to movement component. Yeah, that's all I was really curious about, because I mean the other functions, it's mainly the same. Yeah, like I still remember some of this stuff, like update from compressed flags. This is the server, and the other clients like kind of decrypting the moved sent by one client. This is overriding the client prediction data thingy, network prediction data client thing. I still don't know what these two things are. Clearing, get compressed flags. This is literally just this is like, I think this is like making the move, I think. Yeah, I'm just rambling, my bad, guys. But I'm just looking over it, see like if anything stands out. Got some server RPCs. So interesting. So he uses a server RPC for the walk speed. I remember in the gas documentation project, he overrode the get max speed function. So I thought that was an interesting approach. I don't really know if there's one way or another to do it, but yeah, I just don't know. I feel like get max, yeah, I don't really know how it works. That's gonna be the theme of all of the videos on this channel, or all the live streams. I don't really know how it works. Okay, so that was interesting. Yeah, nothing too insane. Camera manager, I mean, I don't think there's really anything stands out. Player controller, no, actually his is very simple. He has an on restart pawn function though. Yeah, this is kind of what I figured. Animations. Yeah, I guess I could look at it as a Neem instance. That might be a little interesting. Also, guys, if you want to support the channel, please don't forget to temporarily turn off ad block and refresh the page, and hope you get an ad. But yeah, I'm just going to keep looking at some more classes. And then after that, I think we're going to just be done with this stream. Not going to be a long one. Again, kind of gave up on animations. Probably just going to use this plugin, even though, like Alexa says, there probably are some bugs, but at this point, I've been stuck on movement for like so long at this point. It's just like I can't keep going with it. Animations just I've kind of learned it has a really steep learning curve in Unreal Engine. Not saying that I'm necessarily finished with animations. Like again, like I still need to have like a animation for like firing weapons, maybe even like switching weapons, building, drinking potions. But it's all gonna be additive. I'm gonna try to like speed up the movement of Fortnite Clone development because it's taking forever. Okay, native initialized animation. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. I wonder like why using this instead of just a regular constructor. Native update animation, yep. That makes sense. Got a bunch of functions here. Update aiming values. Is that its own function? Yes, it is. Alexa says there are some tutorials on YouTube, but if you want to go plain C++ or do it yourself, then yeah, it won't be helpful. Yeah. I'll probably still look at tutorials for that stuff, but I want to say that it'll be a little bit until then, but yeah, trying to do as much as I can in C++. But we'll see how long that lasts. Interesting. Okay, so a lot of this stuff I did in my... Actually, no, a lot of stuff I didn't do here. Play transition. Is this an override function? Actually, let me see what functions he overrode. He overrode... Actually, just overrode the native functions. So play transition. Blueprint callable, I forgot what that means. Okay, never mind. It's pretty self-explanatory. Play transition, okay. Okay, that makes sense. Checks if the transition's played. No. It just plays the transition based on some certain conditions. Yeah, I mean, he's got a lot of stuff going on here. He's got a lot of can functions. Check if he can do something. Update aiming values. Oh, okay, that's interesting. On pitch. Just for that aim offset. Yeah, this is crazy stuff. God bless the people who made this. Everyone. Set foot offsets. Yeah, like I just don't know this stuff. I gotta just... This is like the moment where I'm just like, I know my lane, and my lane is like, I don't know what my lane is. Maybe like you could argue DevOps, cloud, like pure coding, but not this. Okay, I don't think. Nothing much affix. I'm just looking over his C++ code just because I'm curious. And then after that, I think I'm gonna probably end the stream. Let me write that. Let me message that to legit. Or let me actually message my one from, because I don't know what channel points are. Someone said on Twitch like maybe you should give channel points every time someone follows or whatever. I'm gonna message my one from. I mean, he might even be watching, but yeah, I'm trying to do more stuff like with the community, like Discord, like add emojis. I have been kind of dead on the Discord recently, but I'm trying to fix that. Okay, that's enough of the anime instance. They did a lot of work. That's why I'm not going to mess with any of this stuff. I'm just looking at it and appreciating it and realize that I was way in over my head with animation stuff. Even though, again, not done with it yet because there's still a lot of animation stuff to be done, but It's going to be done mainly through montages, and I don't know how it's going to blend with the existing stuff with ALS, but I'll make it happen. Maybe. Camera behavior, yeah, not too much. I'm not going to look at the AI stuff. Math library. Yeah, that's another thing that's not in my lane. Math. Geometry. 3-dimensional. Angles. Bro, looking at this code makes me realize I know absolutely nothing. This is absolutely insane. Okay. Oh, wait, 15 viewers. The YouTube viewers like just spiked up. I feel bad though because I think the stream I'm about to end the stream, but if you just joined the stream, then please support the channel by momentarily turning off ad block and refreshing the page and hope you get an ad. Unless you guys are all bots. I feel like you guys might be bots because the number of YouTube viewers went up like very suddenly. And what is Jello Leaks? 99 Hope? What are Jello Leaks? Thank you, Almadi. Thank you, Psychos. I did not know they had an official Discord server. Let me try joining it. That's weird. I feel like, I guess it wasn't bots then. They have a Discord server. You know what it might be? I see it. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Let me just gonna do that. I don't know. I'm like paranoid right now. Wow, this community is massive. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, I appreciate it. Alright, we're in here. Wow, this place is freaking huge though. I know I'm not looking at. Well, what do these guys talk about? Community guides? Well, that's a good idea. System feedback. Oh, okay, there's a lot of channels in here. Hello, Flopperam. What a welcoming message. It was in the Discord. I don't know if I want to show it. I'm just gonna say hi. That was very sudden. Man, this place is booming right now. I mean, I don't think I need any help as of now, because again, I'm not going to add on to this plugin. I'm not going to change anything. I just don't think I have the time. We're just going to keep moving forward. I'm going to play around with this on my own. I appreciate you guys watching, though. Join the Discord if you're not already in it, if you want to keep talking with me or any of these other beautiful people in the chat. Just want to thank everyone who tuned into the stream. There's so many people that actually watch it now that I don't want to go through saying everyone's name. But to everyone who tuned in, thank you. And until next time, I will see you guys later.